Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Bahamian coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including a crisp head of cabbage and a few carrots. You'll want to shred these vegetables very finely, either by hand or using a food processor, to achieve that perfect, delicate texture. This initial step is crucial for absorbing the delicious dressing we'll prepare next, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Let's get started on this refreshing side dish. Now, let's talk about the core ingredients for our Bahamian coleslaw. Beyond the cabbage and carrots, you'll need a colorful bell pepper, perhaps red or green, finely diced. A small amount of finely minced onion adds a subtle bite, and fresh parsley brings a touch of herbaceousness. Mix these vegetables thoroughly in a large bowl, making sure they are evenly distributed. This vibrant blend forms the perfect base for our unique dressing. The dressing is what truly defines Bahamian coleslaw. In a separate bowl, whisk together about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. For an extra layer of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. Taste and adjust the sugar or vinegar as needed to achieve your desired balance of sweet and tangy. This creamy dressing will transform your vegetables. Once your dressing is perfect, pour it over the prepared vegetables. Gently fold everything together until all the cabbage and carrots are thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the vegetables to soften slightly. Serve it chilled as a refreshing side dish. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Bahamian coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.